Welcome to your daily dose of crypto. Today we'll be exploring if $2 billion in Bitcoin options expiring will spark a rebound, 5 indicators hinting at a market reversal, Germany's Bitcoin sell-off nearing completion, Bitcoin's critical resistance level for a breakout, and whether XRP can actually hit $57. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you'd like to join our community and stay up to date. You can also check us out on Telegram. I have a group called Team Crypto Atlas, and we also have Discord. Both links are down in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into it. On Friday, July 12th, approximately 23,700 Bitcoin options contracts worth around $1.49 billion will expire. This event is similar to last week's, which had little impact on spot markets. Bitcoin has been trending down due to selling pressure from miners, the German government, and Mt. Gox redemptions. The current batch has a put-call ratio of 1.08, indicating a balanced market with a max pain point at $58,500. Additionally, 157,000 Ethereum options worth $490 million will expire with a put/call ratio of 0.37 and a max pain point of $3,100. Market sentiment remains pessimistic, with total crypto capitalization at $2.22 trillion, Bitcoin below $57,000, and Ethereum below $3,100. If you're trying to make as much as you can with your crypto investments, you can look into leverage trading, also known as margin trading. There's a crypto exchange called MargX. There is a link down in the description below. They give you a range of 5x all the way up to 100x. And also you can do regular crypto trading here. You can buy crypto here. These are just a few of the examples. You can also do copy trading. So let's say you're not confident in your trading skills. You can see how other people are performing. They have staking options as well. And using that link down below, you can claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. This is available in a lot of different regions. If it's not available in your region, some people may decide to use a VPN, but that choice is obviously up to you. And again, the link is down in the description below. The crypto market may experience a turnaround in July due to 5 major indicators. First up is the Federal Reserve's potential rate cuts. Rumors suggest rate cuts in September and December, which could boost liquidity and benefit cryptocurrencies with positive CPI prints. Next up, the progress on the Ethereum ETF S1 filings. Ethereum ETF issuers are responding to SEC feedback. Approval could attract more institutional investors. Then we have CFTC chair's stance on crypto regulation. The CFTC chair's comments indicate that 70 to 80% of cryptocurrencies are not securities, which could provide regulatory clarity and boost investor confidence. Goldman Sachs tokenization projects, well, they have plans to launch 3 tokenization projects by year end, potentially attracting significant institutional investment. Then you have JP Morgan's optimistic Bitcoin outlook, where JP Morgan predicts a bullish Bitcoin bounce in August, citing reduced downward pressure and lowering its year-to-date crypto net flow estimate from $12 billion to $8 billion. Then we have Germany. The German state of Saxony is nearing the end of its Bitcoin sales, holding less than 5,000 tokens after recent transactions. On Thursday, authorities moved 10,567 Bitcoin, worth over $600 million, to exchanges like Bitstamp, Coinbase, and Kraken. Currently, wallets linked to German authorities hold 4,925 Bitcoin, valued at $285 million, down from 50,000 Bitcoin 3 weeks ago. At this rate, Germany's Bitcoin sales could conclude by early next week. The sales have caused market anxiety, contributing to Bitcoin's 15% correction over the past month. However, NYDIG's Greg Cipollaro suggests that the decline may have been exaggerated, exceeding the actual impact of the sales. And Bitcoin may see some bullish prospects if it climbs back above a key resistance level. This is according to an analyst known as Don Alt. Speaking to 61,400 subscribers on the Technical Roundup YouTube channel, Don Alt believes that re-entering the $60,000 to $70,000 range would set up Bitcoin for more upside. Currently trading at about $58,619. at the time of writing, Bitcoin needs to close above $60,000 to $61,000 to generate optimism. So as you guys can see on the chart here in front of us, which I'll be doing some technical analysis towards the end of the video, we've actually seen a little bit more of a pullback. We'll get into more in that in just a little bit. However, Donald warns of a massive resistance at $63,000, which could halt the rally. If Bitcoin surpasses this, it might reach the $70,000 resistance level. Conversely, if Bitcoin fails to break above $60,000, it has okay support at $52,000. Falling below this could lead to a drop to $42,000 to $43,000. XRP Captain predicts XRP could reach $57 in the next bull run, driven by increased utility and a favorable outcome in the SEC lawsuit. His analysis highlights historical price trends and key factors influencing XRP's performance. He presented a chart from 2013 to 2024 showing significant volatility and a long-term bullish trajectory. XRP Captain suggests that growing utility and the resolution of the SEC lawsuit could propel XRP's price. He sets a minimum target of $57, implying an 11,745% rise. However, substantial selling pressure is expected around $10. Reactions to this prediction vary, with some skeptical and others holding out for higher gains. Despite past underperformance, bullish signals like the Golden Cross offer hope for future growth. So let's go ahead and start by taking a look over here back on the Bitcoin charts, and then I'll go ahead and do a little bit of an analysis on the XRP side. So first up is we have 2 days of candle closures for Bitcoin currently on the formation of the new day. We're seeing it just barely red. So it did actually end up dropping down just a tad bit more. We've seen a little bit more of a climb back up, but currently we are below the VWAP. So ideally, for a really bullish, strong indicator, you want to be above that level. Then after we get above that, we're going to be pushing for that $60,000 that we were just talking about a moment ago. This is also really important because when we look at it from a wider perspective, we can see the Fibonacci retracement. So not only is $60,000 psychological, it also plays a key role when we're talking about the zones over here on the Fibonacci retracement. As far as the Bollinger Band itself goes, we're still below that median point. So that does have a bit of a downwards trajectory, which on the good side of that is that because it's heading downwards, it's a little bit easier if you get some movement going up with the price to cross over that zone. That'll help people be a little bit more optimistic. And then as far as for the divergence or convergence side of the Bollinger Band, we're a little bit more on the divergence side. It's a little bit wider. And I have had suspicions, I'm still falling into the same mindset right now, that we could see this moving sideways for a bit of a consolidated zone as we just sort of hang right underneath that $60,000 price point. I would also keep an eye out for a bottom level of here on the Fibonacci zone, right around $51,360. Now let's go ahead and move over here to XRP. XRP is actually doing quite well on the day. It's up 5.23%, a little bit over 47 cents, and also broke above that VWAP. So it's actually been above it for about 2 days, more or less hanging right on the line there for several days, but a nice little spike up. We also see that on the RSI down below that it has passed above that median point. It is not that close to the oversold territory. This still has a lot of room to grow, but when we're talking about things relative in the past, this has been very flat. A lot of people are looking towards major news that could be coming out here at the end of July for XRP, and that could be very important in how the next move set for XRP and what direction it goes to. And then as far as for the Fibonacci zone as well, these are a couple key indicators that I personally really like to have. Keep an eye out for around 77.5 cents. That is a zone that we need to break above. Also, using my trading bot tool that I created here, you can see that the last position was suggestive of a short. However, the price has started to steadily climb. This would also suggest to me that we could see a new formation on my trading tool, suggesting that of a long. So yes, as of right now, it is breaking the typical trend pattern. If you're curious to see about how my trading bot actually performs, you can take a look down below whenever I move to these price charts for my future videos where we have the strategy tester. You can see the net profit. You can see a lot more of the other details relevant to that. And I would love to know what you guys think about all this. So are you actually bullish right now on crypto? What about Bitcoin specifically, XRP, are there any other cryptos that you're showing concerns over or you're really optimistic about? You think that it's a sleeping giant? I want to know what you guys think, so please share your thoughts in the comments down below. And again, if you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe. We are trying to grow this channel, and I would love to have more people in crypto be a part of this community. You can check me out on Telegram, Discord, links are in the description below. Same thing, if you want to check out Margex, play with it, feel free to. You can find that also in the description below. And thank you guys so much for your support. Patreon supporters, Victor Vegas being a higher level patron, YouTube members, I appreciate you guys. You want to show your support, $1 a month even, it's really appreciated. Thank you guys so much. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.